Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly manifest their dreams into reality? The secret lies not just in wishing, but in combining belief, visualization, and action in a powerful way. Over the next 3 days, you'll discover a simple yet highly effective technique that can help you manifest anything you truly desire. Whether it's love, success, or abundance, this process aligns your energy with your goals, turning them into reality. Let's dive straight into the steps to get started. The first step is to get crystal clear on what you want to manifest. Vague goals lead to vague results, so take time to define your desire in vivid detail. What exactly do you want? Why is it important to you? How will achieving it make you feel? Write your goal down on paper as if it has already happened, using the present tense. For example, instead of saying, "I want financial security," write, "I am financially secure, living a life of abundance." As you write, visualize your desire clearly. Picture every detail, the sights, sounds, emotions, and even the people around you when this goal becomes reality. The more specific and sensory-rich your visualization, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. Your mind and energy begin to align with this vision, setting the stage for manifestation. This clarity not only guides your subconscious, but also helps the universe deliver exactly what you want. The clearer your focus, the more direct your path to achieving it will be. Belief is the cornerstone of manifestation. If you don't truly believe you deserve what you're asking for, your efforts will falter. To build unshakable belief, start by acknowledging and replacing any limiting beliefs you may have. These might be thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or things like, "This never happened to me." Identify these doubts and consciously replace them with affirmations of confidence and worthiness. For example, repeat affirmations like, "I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer," or "The universe supports my dreams and goals." Say these affirmations out loud, write them down, and feel their truth in your heart. The goal is to create a deep inner certainty that what you desire is not only possible, but inevitable. Belief also involves acting as though your manifestation is already on its way. This means letting go of desperation or neediness. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes and know that the timing will always be perfect. This faith amplifies your energy, making your intention even more powerful. Visualization is more than just imagining your goal. It's about immersing yourself in the experience of already having it. Close your eyes and create a mental movie of your desired outcome. See yourself living your dream, whether it's a new job, a loving relationship, or improved health. Notice every detail, from the environment to the emotions you feel. The key here is emotion. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if your manifestation has already come true. Emotions are powerful energy signals that amplify your intentions. The stronger and more positive your feelings, the more you attract similar experiences into your life. Practice this visualization daily, ideally first thing in the morning and before you sleep. These are times when your mind is most receptive to programming. Spend at least 5 minutes fully engaged in this mental exercise, allowing it to uplift your spirit and strengthen your belief in your goal. Manifestation isn't just about thinking, it requires action. Once you've set your intention and aligned your energy, pay attention to opportunities, ideas, and nudges from your intuition. These are signs from the universe guiding you toward your goal. It's your responsibility to act on them. For example, if you're manifesting a new job and suddenly feel inspired to update your resume or reach out to a connection, do it. These small steps signal your commitment to the process and create momentum. Even if the action seems unrelated or insignificant, trust that it's part of the bigger picture. Taking action also reinforces your belief. And you act as though your manifestation is on its way. You're telling the universe you're ready and willing to receive. This proactive approach speeds up the manifestation process and brings you closer to your goal. The final and often most challenging step is to release attachment to the outcome. Once you've done your part, trust that the universe will handle the rest. Holding on too tightly to your desire can create resistance and delay the process. Instead, focus on maintaining a positive, open energy. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means having faith that everything is unfolding in divine timing. Spend your days in gratitude for what you already have, knowing that more good things are on their way. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, aligning you with the frequency of receiving. This step also involves detaching from how your manifestation will arrive. The universe has infinite ways of delivering your desire, often in ways better than you could imagine. Stay open to possibilities and trust that what's meant for you will never pass you by. Gratitude is one of the most revolutionary forces in manifestation. Start each day by acknowledging 3 things you're grateful for, whether it's the roof over your head, the support of loved ones, or simply the fresh air you breathe. When you focus on what you already have, you send a message to the universe that you appreciate its abundance, opening the door for even more blessings to flow into your life. Beyond your morning routine, incorporate gratitude into every moment of your day. For instance, when you eat, give thanks for the meal before you. When you take a walk, appreciate the beauty of nature. This constant state of thankfulness raises your vibration and keeps your energy aligned with abundance. Consider keeping a gratitude journal. At the end of the day, write down moments that brought you joy or taught you valuable lessons. This practice not only reinforces positivity, but also serves as a powerful reminder of how much goodness surrounds you, even when times feel challenging. Understand that gratitude isn't just a passive emotion, it actively shifts your perspective. Instead of focusing on what you lack, you begin to see opportunities and resources you might have overlooked. This mindset makes manifestation a natural extension of your daily life. The energy of your environment plays a crucial role in your ability to manifest. If you're surrounded by negativity, be it from people, media, or your surroundings, it can dampen your vibration and make it harder to attract what you desire. Start by creating a space that reflects your aspirations and makes you feel uplifted. Declutter your physical space to allow energy to flow freely. A clean, organized environment is a reflection of clarity and focus, which are key to manifestation. Add elements that inspire you, such as vision boards, affirmations, or objects that symbolize your goals. Equally important is the company you keep. Spend time with people who encourage, support, and uplift you. Avoid those who constantly dwell on negativity or doubt your potential. Surrounding yourself with positive influences reinforces your belief in your abilities and strengthens your resolve to achieve your dreams. Lastly, practice positive self-talk. Be your own cheerleader. Replace criticism with encouragement and remind yourself daily of your worth and capability. This internal positivity is just as important as external influences in shaping your reality. A visualization board is a physical representation of your goals and desires. By creating one, you provide a tangible focus for your energy and intentions. Start by gathering images, words, or symbols that represent what you want to manifest, whether it's a dream home, a fulfilling career, or improved health. Arrange these visuals on a board in a way that feels inspiring to you. Place it somewhere you'll see daily, like your bedroom or workspace. Each time you look at it, take a moment to visualize yourself living that reality. Feel the emotions tied to achieving those goals, joy, pride, gratitude, and let them infuse your energy. The power of a visualization board lies in repetition. The more you see and engage with it, the more your subconscious absorbs the imagery, aligning your thoughts and actions with your desires. This consistent focus keeps your goals at the forefront of your mind, guiding you toward opportunities to make them a reality. Enhance the practice by pairing your board with affirmations. As you look at each image, say a positive statement related to it, such as, "I am thriving in my dream career," or "I live in my perfect home." These affirmations reinforce the belief that your dreams are already on their way to you. Trust the process. A visualization board is a tool to amplify your manifestation energy. But the magic happens when you combine it with action, faith, and gratitude. Manifestation works best when your energy aligns with your desires. This means living in a way that reflects the reality you're striving for even before it fully manifests. For example, if you're manifesting financial abundance, adopt the mindset and habits of someone who is financially secure. Start by tuning into your feelings. Notice when doubt, fear, or negativity creep in, and consciously shift to emotions of confidence, joy, and gratitude. Your emotional state directly impacts the energy you radiate, which in turn influences what you attract. Another key aspect of alignment is acting as if. If you're manifesting a healthy lifestyle, begin making choices that support that goal. Eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, and prioritizing rest. These actions signal to the universe that you're serious about your intentions and ready to receive them. Meditation and mindfulness can also help you maintain energetic alignment. Spend a few minutes each day connecting with your inner self, visualizing your goals, and affirming your belief in the manifestation process. This practice keeps your vibration high and your focus sharp. Celebrate small wins along the way. Each step closer to your goal is proof that your manifestation is working. Acknowledging these milestones boosts your confidence and reinforces your alignment with your desires. Manifestation is a dance of clarity, belief, emotion, action, and trust. By following these steps consistently for just 3 days, you will set powerful energy in motion to attract your desires. The universe always responds to your vibration, so stay aligned with positivity, faith, and gratitude. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insights on manifesting your best life.